I have extremely skinny, small freaking forearms, but yet I'll give you advice on how to grow big ass, juicy, massive freaking forearms. So basically, you need to focus on wrist extension, wrist flexion, and elbow flexion. Do not overcomplicate your forearm training. You can do wrist flexion and wrist extension exercises with a simple dumbbell. It's pretty easy to progressively overload with these goddamn dumbbells, okay? And the aspect of elbow flexion with the neutral palm or with the pronated palm, you can use exercises like dumbbell hammer curls or basic pronated barbell elbow flexion movement. So for the brachioradialis, you do the neutral grip hammer curls and you do the reverse barbell curls, okay, with the pronated grip. As simple as that. Addressing the volume aspect for forearms, do not do a shit ton of volume because you're grabbing dumbbells, you're grabbing plates, you're grabbing bars. All this count as direct forearm work. So you can do 2 sets of dumbbell wrist flexion at the end of your pull day 1 and 2 sets of dumbbell wrist extension at the end of your pull day 2, and that's it. Do count your fractional sets for forearms. If it's less, then you can add direct forearm training. If you have enough fractional sets for forearms, then you do not need to train your forearms directly. I thought I'll go into a lot of details about forearm training in this freaking video, but I cannot because I do not know what your program or workout split is. So I hope this message sinks in, and until then, freaking peace out.
देखिए, एक तो बेसिक ट्रिक है, एक तो लाइक और शेयर ठोक दीजिए महाकाल का, दबाकर लाइक और शेयर ठोक दीजिए। 5,000 लौटे दिख जाना चाहिए। ये 4,000 के लिए मैं यहाँ पे नहीं खड़ा हूँ, पूरा साल मेहनत करता हूँ आपके लिए बेटा। ऐसा नहीं चलेगा, ऐसा नहीं चलेगा। लाइक ठोकी दबा के, लाइक ठोकिए। यहाँ पे देखिए, ऐसा क्वेश्चन चुटकी बजाते